Dog, Confidant, un film de la chienne.
My name's Jason, and in 24 hours I'll be dead. Well, what's left of me anyway. Ever since I was a child, there's been something missing. Just my luck that the day I find it is the day I die.
Bustin' if you're coming at me though. Man, I take ain't no free throw. No man, I'm bustin' if you're coming at me though. Man, put up ain't talking a redo. Bust doors, no need for a key though.
Oh, Jason, hi. I see you're carrying your groceries American style. Oh, shit!
Fuck!
My little Schnookums has had a litter.
Schnookums? Dog, right here.
We've been blessed with too many. Would you like one?
Yeah, fine.
Oh, that's wonderful. I think you two will be very happy together.
Oh! Puppy!
Jesus, what's going on?
It's from Joyce.
Oh, he's adorable. Aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Who's a pretty little boy? Who's a good boy?
I'm surprised I didn't kill Paul years ago. He's your typical murder victim. I met him when he was a door-to-door mop salesman. I was watching SAS Who Dares Wins when he rudely interrupted me. I invited him in, planning to beat him to death with his own mop. Before I had the chance, he broke down in tears, telling me how shit his life was. I couldn't do it. I offered him the spare room, and we've been living together ever since. He was hard enough to live with at the best of times, but after we got the puppy, it made him unbearable.
I feel like I could say anything in front of you, Zippy. I've never told anyone this before, but I lost my a-hole in a tragic playground accident. I was on the swings, swinging higher and higher. At one point, I felt like I could kick the clouds. Then my friends started goading me, pushing me to jump. So I did. By God, I jumped higher than any child has jumped before. And then I landed on the fence. It went up my a-hole, Zippy. The surgeon tried to piece it together, but it was never the same. I suffer from anal leakage now, and I have to wear nappies. The doctors said that the gap in my a-hole is so wide I may never fart again. Okay, Zippy. Roll over. Roll over, Zippy. Play dead, Zippy. Play dead. Sit. Good boy. Jason, did you see that?
Hang on, did you call him Zippy?
Yeah, I thought it was cute. Good boy. Sit. There you go. Are you going to go see Uncle Jason? Go on, say hi to Uncle Jason. Good boy. That's a good boy. You love your Uncle Jason, don't you? You love him. Good boy. That's a good boy, Zippy. God, you're so cute, Zippy. Say hello to Uncle Jason, Zippy. That's a good boy, Zippy. You love your Uncle Jason, don't you, Zippy?
sorry. I don't know, it was the name. I just really didn't like the name.
We could have called it something else, you didn't have to kill it.
Oh, come on, he was always going to be Zippy.
We'll get a new one, okay? Start from scratch. It's gonna be alright. But Paul, we need to get a really good name this time. I know a guy. We'll go and see him tomorrow. Don't make me kill again.
Oh dear, that's a tricky one. Do you need any help?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, Joyce, is there any chance I could get another puppy?
Yes, of course. Is it a little play friend for Zippy?
Yeah.
Oh.
We'd got the new puppy. Now all we needed was a new name. This guy was a veteran. He'd done a few tours and he just wasn't the same. His mum had kicked him out. She'd caught him in his bedroom, sitting in a pentagram, sacrificing a kitten to Satan. But I'm not one to judge.
Alright, fellas. What?
We need a name for a dog, not Zippy or anything shit.
Come to the right place. Let me introduce myself. I'm the motherfucking name dealer. I'm gonna say your name. Now with the name you will find cheaper. I'm gonna say you today. Would you like to peruse my selection?
What's that one?
Oh, no. That one's cursed. It was found inscribed in the inside of a tomb in the pyramid in Giza. It is said that he who bears the name will open the gates to hell, and Beelzebub will return to rule the earth. Shouldn't really be selling it.
How do you say it? I like it.
Yeah, it would suit a dog.
Wait, Jason, I'm not sure.
No. It's got a nice ring to it. We'll take it.
You'll also need the naming ritual.
Cool. How much do we owe you?
3 drops of the blood of a coward.
Paul?
No. Why did you have to cut so deep?
He'll be fine. That'll heal by tomorrow.
I can see the bone, Jason.
Just poke it back in.
What's that?
Oh, that's Zippy.
What? You didn't even bury him?
I was busy. I had to return some videotapes.
That's not an excuse, Jason. That's a line from American Psycho.
Fine, I was watching American Psycho. What's his problem?
Well, he has just found the discarded, bin-bagged corpse of his dead brother.
Yeah, that's a fair one.
Come on. Jason, we're going to miss the trailers.
Hang on, I'm performing the naming ritual! Fuck! In the name of all that is evil, I christen thee...
Jason!
Okay, I've done it, I'm coming!
We're going to miss the start.
Right, let's start sprinting. I know a shortcut.
No, wait. I can't go that way.
Well, why not? It's the playground, isn't it?
I can still feel the fence.
You've got to face up to this. Come on.
We'll start with something basic. I'll go on with you, okay?
I just can't.
Paul, I've never told you this, but I was one of the ones chanting at you to jump. No, wait. There's more. I too suffered a tragic accident as a child. I was swimming in a lake, naked. I felt so liberated, so alive. I was happily practicing my breaststroke when I felt something brush against me. My legs were fully kicked out, open wide. I was so exposed, Paul. And then it happened. A fish attacked me. Did you know that the pike has 700 razor-sharp teeth? They all point backwards so that it prevents its prey from escaping. It ripped my scrotum off. I had to swim back to shore with my testes flailing about all over the place, trailing behind me. I was terrified the whole way that that pike would go for them again. I shat myself several times. Ironically, that probably saved me. Like a helicopter deploying chaff. The surgeons couldn't do anything. Ever since then, I've had to zip tie my balls in a sandwich bag.
Jason, I'm so sorry. I had no idea.
Every time I took a bath, I would have flashbacks and shit myself. I couldn't live like that anymore. So I decided to face my fear. Where did we go on holiday last summer?
The lake. We went to the lake.
The lake. And what did we do?
Oh, God, we went skinny dipping. Now it makes so much sense why you were so shy and nervous.
You see? So if I can do it, you can do it. I'll be right there with you, buddy. Okay?
Healing Paul healed me. I thought I needed my scrotum to feel complete, but all I needed was to complete someone else. It looked like things were going to be better from now on.
Jason, I've reached a higher state of consciousness. When we went for walkies yesterday, I heard everything. I know what you did to my brother Zippy. And now, you're going to pay. Paul, I know you're an innocent party. I have communed with Zippy's soul in the netherworld, and he has told me of the many, many wonderful times spent together, playing fetch, rolling over, and ironically playing dead. For your kindness, I grant you now one wish.
Well, there's only one thing I've ever really wanted. Could you see to it, please, that my a-hole be repaired, please?
Your wish is granted. I must go now.
Goodbye, old buddy. I'm sorry I didn't react more to your death.